Nazar Industries have just recently developed a compact fabric inspection machine specifically for knitted fabrics in open width. The issue with knitted fabrics is it's very susceptible to elongation and to stretch. Therefore, the machine that we developed had to be take into consideration the tension of the fabric, which is why we have introduced a number of systems on this machine that completely controls the tension of the fabric from the take-up all the way to the rolling. For this we have individual motors, all our rollers are driven, and we have each motor coupled with a frequency inverter. So we can play with individual speeds of the rollers for the take-up and the rolling. We also have a compensator unit inside the machine that adjusts to control the tension of the fabric. The third issue that normally they have in open with knitted fabrics is curling of the edges, for which we've added individually run scroll rollers. Yeah. At the rolling head there's a sensor that senses the selvages of the fabric, which ensures that when you wind it, your edges come perfectly. This is normally for if a customer wants to do export rolls. And our third thing, what we've added, which we've just also started adding in our machines, is a cutting unit. Yeah. The machine can be fully programmable. So, for instance, if you want to run a certain number of meters, you can program the machine to run so many meters, 100 meters, for instance. Then the roll can be taken off and cut. So it helps the operator in that way as well. No, it isn't specifically for the Pakistan market. We are looking to export this machine as well. We have exported previous models quite successfully to places like Bangladesh. Previously, when there was a textile industry in the Gulf, we used to export our fabric inspection machines over there as well. But our primary market outside of Pakistan at this moment is Bangladesh. Apart from being able to run fabrics with very high lycra content that are, like I said, susceptible to elongation or to stretch, because these machines can control that very, very well. Yeah, I mean, for the local industry, we have a local manufacturing base. We do, I mean, in terms of support and backup, we're over here. We have over 60 years of experience in this field. So, you know, and that is all for the customer's advantage, you know, to take advantage of our experiences, what we have done in the past, how we're improving at the moment, and where we see ourselves going in the future.